Hello everybody, today I am unboxing review video. This charging motherboard for USB working. I am using this motherboard module, bike and car and batteries using mobile and devices working. This charging module for USB or and this small motherboard is 65 watt PD charging supporting type C to type C, super fast charging and turbo charging working. And small motherboard is more another mobiles supporting 18 watts, another mobile 15 watts supporting another. And big motherboard is more using etc, bike, car, battery and testing power, bench power supply and battery, power adapter, multimeter testing, all typing. And this charging for USB module price 360 rupees, market bazaar app order purchase. And power supply using power adapter 12.5 watt adapter using testing mobile and devices connecting testing. And Samsung others brand cables not supporting Samsung mobiles is issue. This power supply is battery charger working 13.8 voltage input current connecting test. This mobile is Samsung Galaxy M31 and other mobile Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, charging 15 watts supporting. This charging module is Samsung mobiles 15 watt fast charging supporting Samsung devices, Samsung mobile. This model supporting 15 watt only, normal. And Redmi Xiaomi mobiles for charging supporting quick charging supporting 22.5 watt Redmi mobiles supporting this module. This Redmi Note 12 Pro for charging supporting maximum 45 watt. This module is input for charging 22.5 watt supporting this mobile quick charging. This module using I am bike tripping, touring using this charging module. Use the bike and long drive using mobile camera, laptop, earphones, Bluetooth charging using this charging module. Best option, bikes touring and car using best option. View mobiles, no option charging animation for charging logo now showing this Vivo mobiles. This Vivo mobile is maximum for charging support charger to 64 watt is supporting maximum. This module for charging supply is 18 watt for charging supporting this mobile Vivo. Xiaomi Redmi mobiles for charging connecting. This module is quick charging supporting 22.5 watt for charging supporting. This laptop model is Samsung Galaxy Book 4 laptop. This laptop for charging maximum support 45 watt. Samsung charging supporting. This laptop charging to this module is for charging 15 watt supporting this module. This laptop working only for 15 watts normal charging working this laptop. To charging fast connecting a adapter charger DC direct to your computer. This charging module testing 4 lithium batteries charging to test result checking watch. And this module is checking temperature and this multimeter option temperature checking option test watch. This charging motherboard is no eating long working, no eating, no problem. This motherboard charging fast working.